Is this the biggest scam of 2025 or the secret to real make money online freedom? Stick with me because at the end you'll see fresh proof my own business, the math that shows why one program pays pennies while the others pays dollars, and the exact bonuses I'm giving you, including my personal rotator, where 50% of my leads go to you. This is the Home Business Academy Let's Go app versus Livegood Exposed 2025. Let's break it down and get into it. Now, most people searching work from home or side hustle programs are skeptical, and they should be. Too many funnels promise passive income but leave you broke. That's why I'm putting the Home Business Academy Let's Go app head to head with Livegood. Which one actually delivers duplication, residual stacking, and long-term leverage? Here's my reality. I just got 2 new sales today. That's $28 more in residual income. Add it instantly. My monthly residual income is now at $176. I'll show you proof in just a minute, including my own bank account, stacking every single month. That's not hype, that's math. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They chase hype instead of math. Livegood looks exciting, but excitement doesn't pay bills. Duplication does. Let's do the math. In Livegood, you earn a quarter, 25 cents per person per month. That means 100 people equals $25 a month. 1,000 people equals $250 a month. For all those people that are promising spillover, 1,000 people, if they put 1,000 people in your funnel, that would only equal $250 a month. And they're not doing that. Their teams are already formed. They're promising bullshit. They're promising bullshit. And even if they put 1,000 people, which they're not going to do, that's only $250 a month. Now compare that to HBA Funnel Builder. Again, remember, 100 people for $25 a month. HBA Funnel Builder, 2 people is $40 a month. That's more than what it takes 100 people in Livegood to produce. And one person at that 125 level in HBA is $100 a month residual. You get $8 per person in with a $10 program in HBA. $8 per 10. So for one $10 subscription, you bring in 2, you're making $20 a month. That's the kind of leverage most people never see. Would you rather chase 1,000 people for $250 or 2 people for $40? That's the difference between hype and freedom. Have you ever joined a program that promised the moon and delivered a rock? Hit subscribe. I cover my subscription in 30 days. That's the kind of proof people need to see. And it's why this funnel ranks without ads, because it's built on trust, proof, and duplication. That's what the algorithm loves. And that's what people searching on Google and YouTube are looking for. Here's the elite bonus you get when you lock arms with me. Simple Freedom Warriors YouTube Domination Training. What is it? It's the exact daily system I use to rank on YouTube every single upload. YouTube first page, and stay indexed on Google. Evergreen free traffic. Why it matters. You build traffic, leads, and potential sales for any program while building your email list. No ads required. Not only are you trained on the exact steps to do daily, your existing and future members are trained too. You don't babysit. The system handles it. Come in at the $25 or $125 level and plug into the daily checklist, script, thumbnails, and ranking protocol. Now, here's something brand new I'm doing for anyone who joins me at the The 10, 25, and 125 levels. All three levels unlocking $8, $20, and $100 monthly residuals. Now I'm putting you directly in my personal rotator. That means when I buy leads, we share them. When I generate leads from my hard work online, we share them. Anytime someone clicks on my link, it rotates half to me, half to you. Think about that. 50% of all my leads could be building your email list while you're stacking residuals of $8, $20, or $100 a month. I'm literally helping you grow your list while you're getting paid residually. Now, I'm not saying you should do nothing. You'll want to plug in and take action. But this is as close to hands-off, passive, stacking residual income as it gets. Residual that grow month after month on complete autopilot. Or as I like to say, instead of automatically, auto-magically. And it doesn't stop there. We'll also build you a rotator of your own so you could offer this exact bonus to anyone who joined your team and become the mentor and the sought after person that people want to join because you have the best bonuses, you have the best training, okay? People are going to want to get in that rotator and get $8, $20, and even $100 payments every single month for every single person that's in your system. Picture this. Every night before bed, you're stacking new residuals. $8 here, $20 here, $100 there, adding up month after month. That's not hype, that's duplication in action. And it's why the Home Business Academy Let's Go app is built for 2025 and beyond. So drop a comment if you tried Livegood or HBA. What was the biggest roadblock? Subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. So I'm going to actually show you real ranking proof. But before that, I'm going to actually show you my emails and my online bank account and the actual system. So you can see that I'm actually making money with this. Ready? First of all, my residual income, okay, in HBA. HBA.app. $176 and 9 meals provided monthly. 3 active customers generating $176 monthly. So the Let's Go, I have 2 customers at $16 for $16 a month. The Funnel Builder Academy, I have 3 customers paying $60, and the Premium Traffic and Conversions Academy is $100. $160, $176. $176. Now look at this, it's pretty cool. It has the income projection of $528 at this level, $1,056 in 6 months, or $2,112 in a year, based on current income. So that can increase, okay? Now, I'm going to actually show you my e-wallet and show you my bank account real quick so you know this isn't bullshit. And then I'm going to show you ranking proof. Okay, ready? Remember these numbers. 650, write them down if you have to. 8305 and 3450. 8305, 3450, and 650. Okay, my bank account. Log in. Bear with me. Okay? Now check this out. 8305, 3450. Here it is, 8305, 3450, and 650, right? Boom. So, no bullshit. Here's the ranking proof. Okay, ready? Alright, let's go. So, DFY marketing system. Number 1, 2, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. We have 9 of the top 10 of this videos, but let's go to all. So view all. The top 3 are me, okay? The top 3 in Google are me, okay? So let's go with the DFY marketing system. Now let's check this out. This is an ad, it doesn't count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's an ad. 5, 6, 7, 8 of the top 9, and there I go again, there. So all but 2. And check this out, another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, another one bites the dust, right? You can substitute me with you, because if you do this every single day, if you stay consistent and you follow the easy steps we give you, you and your team can win, period, for any program, okay? Substitute me with you, okay? Now we're going to check this out. Why Funnel Home Business Academy funnels convert in 2025? Okay, guess what? #1 video on YouTube. And that's another team member, by the way, Andrew Guthrie. This is a video that hasn't even premiered yet. It's tomorrow's video. But guess what? There's another one, and another one, and another one. I mean, you can dominate YouTube like I am, okay? That's where I'm getting these traffic leads and sales from. Okay? And the same term in Google, guess who's the #1 video? JJ Saleh. Okay? DFY marketing system. Did we check that already? We did. Okay, so I'm going to check a different one. Let's check one real quick. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. So as you can see, I'm in incognito, right? Home Business Academy. Okay, this is an ad. So there's a video right there, right? This is the hardest term, okay? But yet we do have a video right there from 2 days ago. And if you click more, we have more. Okay? And some other team members, which is Ari Ortiz. And I saw a video from Andrew Guthrie. So you can do this. You can dominate YouTube and even rank first page of Google. Okay? Because I have Instagram posts. Instagram posts that are ranking. And I showed you, again, right here. I was on my online bank account, right? I showed you emails, right? And I also clicked in the Home Business Academy, right? Let me see. Here we go. Home Business Academy. $176 residually. I'm in profit. I'm in profit. Because I'm spending 25 plus 10 plus 125. So I'm what, $16 in profit? And it's only going to get better from here. I already have 2 at the Let's Go, 3 at the Funnel Builder, and 100 for the premium. Shout out to all those people who trust me. And they're going to get their bonuses, and they're going to start learning the simple steps you do to get ranked every single day. Okay? So, here's the move. Stop chasing funnels. Step into a system that's already proven to convert. Would you like to make $25 or pennies? Or would you like to make, even from the Let's Go app, $8 for a $10 program? $8 per person every single month. Okay? You're not going to get 1,000 people. And that, even if you did, that's only $250 a month? 1,000 people, even at the Let's Go app, would be $8,000. So go right now to johnsally.com and join at the 25 or 125 to unlock Simple Freedom Warriors YouTube domination. And my rotator bonus is if you go with the $10, the 25, and the 125, and I'll be your tag team partner. You'll get half my leads. The smart person will get in first and get, we'll split all the traffic 50-50. Okay? Who's going to work for you? I'll work for you because I want you to win. I want you to win, and I'm willing to teach you what you need. This is Home Business Academy Let's Go app versus Livegood Exposed 2025, and now you know the truth. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood settlement. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.